you work in marketing, where do you need adaptability? I'll show you 11 examples in this video. I'm Alina, a certified AQ or Adaptability Intelligence practitioner, and also I have worked in marketing for many years. Example number 1, creating content in a very saturated market. Social media is saturated, maybe you work at a business or industry that has a saturated market. A lot of marketers need to constantly change the way how and where they are creating content and what they are talking about. It's just a part of a job. Example number 2, constantly changing algorithms. Google, Facebook, TikTok, Instagram, all the possible social media update their algorithms constantly. So marketers always need to adapt their content to those algorithm changes. Example number 3, adapting to new technologies or new platforms. When a new platform shows up, they need to at least test and try this new technology to understand whether or not it is suitable for their businesses and use the benefits that come with being the first one who uses that platform. Number 4, adapting to new laws. If you are from Europe or you work with clients from Europe, you know what GDPR means. And I bet that in your country there are also some regulations written in law that you need to adapt to when they show up. Number 5, cross-channel marketing. If your job is to be a marketer, my guess is that you need to use more than one platform. And the most effective way how to do that is to create one content or one topic and then figure out how to adapt that story, that content to as many platforms as possible. And as a marketer, you need to do this constantly. Number 6, dealing with budget. Usually the ambitions and goals with marketing activities are really large. However, the budget is usually smaller, or the tiniest micro budget you could ever find in a company. So as a marketer, you need to adapt and be creative in how you can achieve those large, ambitious goals with a tiny budget that you have. Number 7, leadership change. When you have a new leader, you need to adapt to that leader's communication style, their preferred ways of working, because let's be honest, the amount of leaders who ask their employees to adapt to the technology, to the platforms that they are used to, is way larger than those leaders who are observing the team that they have to work with and then just following the team's needs and preferences. So as a marketer, more likely or not, you will need to adapt when the leadership changes. Number 8, your position change. Let's say you become the head of marketing. You need to adapt to the new position, right? Because let's face it, the skill set that you need as a specialist is way different than the skill set that you need as a leader. So you need to be open to let go the past knowledge and the past patterns on how you operated, how you even thought and prioritized, and learn the new mindsets and behaviors that you need to succeed in this new position. Example number 9, company growth. This example surprised me when I experienced it because as a marketer, well, your goal is to help the company grow. There was this one client that I helped to grow 5,000% in a year. And that meant that the company transformed from a small business to a medium business. And marketing activities that are suitable for small business not always are suitable for medium or large companies. So if this happens and you have done your job well, the company has grown, you need to adapt your strategies, your ways of working as well. Number 10, pivoting strategies. Not only algorithms, but also market trends, customer feedback, or maybe competition are a few examples on how and why any marketer would need to change their strategy if they see that the strategy that they planned is not working because of the new information that they get. And last but not least, example number 11, I guess that you waited for this example, using AI. Marketing is one of the first jobs where people really try to figure out how to use AI simply to make their workday more productive. Because let's face it, any marketer has way more tasks to do than they actually can. There's a global discussion whether or not it's ethical to use AI in marketing. Yes, it is ethical if the person uses the tool in an ethical way. As simple as that, because AI, that is a tool, that is a technology. Whether AI will be ethical in your work is completely up to you. So, did this video help? Write in the comments, subscribe to this channel, and see you in the next video.